Human occupations. Introduction. We carry out many activities to fulfill our basic needs: food, clothing, shelter. These are called occupations. We have many occupations: agriculture, industry, trade, etc. The choice of occupation depends upon the environment, which differs from region to region, causing occupations to vary too. Primary occupations. Some of these activities are directly dependent on nature. It means that the products obtained in these activities are obtained directly from nature. Cows and buffaloes are animals. We domesticate them, we get milk from them. Therefore, this occupation is directly dependent on nature. Such occupations which are dependent on nature are called primary occupations. Example, animal husbandry, fishing, etc. Secondary occupations. Some products obtained in primary occupations are used directly, while others are used after making some changes in them. This processing is an industrial activity. Industries are based on raw materials. In this picture, we see that the milk is being processed after bringing it to the dairy. That is, the product obtained from nature is processed and made into different products. For example, Shrikhand, butter, cheese, and milk powder. Occupations dependent on primary occupations are called secondary occupations. These products are more durable. Their quality is enhanced too, and therefore their price is also higher. Tertiary occupations. In these pictures, you will see milk collection and sale of milk, transport of milk, and sale of milk products, respectively. All these activities are related to the products of primary and secondary occupations. Many times these occupations provide complementary services to all the other occupations. Such occupations are called tertiary occupations. They are also called service occupations. These include transport of goods, loading and unloading of goods, sale of goods, etc. Quaternary occupations. In this picture, you can see a person testing the prepared milk products. This person is testing the quality of the products. To do this work, the person must have some special skills. This is also a type of service, but this service is not an ordinary one. It requires special expertise. Such services are called quaternary occupations. Not all services are directly related to primary or secondary occupations. For example, those of a driver, knife grinder, policeman, the postal service, etc. Classification of human occupations. Now that we know how to classify human occupations, let's look at this set of pictures, classifying each occupation shown from primary to quaternary. Economic transactions. Different occupations are practiced in different countries of the world. Through these occupations, economic transactions occur within a country and between various countries. These transactions decide a country's production of various goods and their annual income. This, in turn, is used to decide the extent of the country's development. These pie charts show the percentage of manpower engaged in various occupations in the countries of Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, UAE, and Turkey. Each pie chart shows the the percentage of primary to tertiary occupations. Countries which have more manpower engaged in tertiary activities are considered to be developed countries, while countries which have more manpower engaged in primary activities are considered to be developing countries. Accordingly, the UAE is the most developed, followed by Turkey, while Bangladesh is still developing.